Hi, to hard reset your Poco X7, firstly, let's enable backup. For that, go in settings. Here, find additional settings and then scroll down and here choose backup and restore. So we need to backup items. If you want to restore it in the future, you can go in Google Backups and here just choose type of data and then confirm. After that, select Manage Backup and also tap Backup Now. After that, confirm your lock screen type and now it is backing up data, so we are just waiting. This is necessary step if you don't want to lose your data in the future when you'll be setting up your new device. And after that, you can also go in your Xiaomi Cloud and here choose to synchronize app data. So let's turn it on and now we are waiting for the data to synchronize in our Xiaomi account. You can also view details, you can view items in the cloud, and now let's just go back. Here you can also check terms and conditions, enable quick synchronizing, and now we should go in backup. Here tap allow and choose to backup now. And here you can see that this will take 5 to 10 minutes. So let's just wait for the Google backup to be completed and for Xiaomi as well. And now the phone is backed up, so let's hard reset it. For that, we need to turn it off first. So hold your power button and volume up buttons at the same time and swipe up to power off. Now when the screen completely turned off, you should press and hold power and volume up buttons at the same time till you see the Poco logo appears on the screen, and once you saw it, release the power button but continue holding volume up. And now you should see this recovery mode. So here, choose to wipe data, and for that use your volume down button to scroll through the list or volume up. And to confirm the choice, press power button. After that, just select wipe all data and confirm. And here confirm that the section cannot be undone. So be aware of that. And now your phone would be restarted. As you can see, it is wiping all of the data. So now data wiped successfully. Just choose to back to main menu and here choose to reboot and reboot to system. And after that, your phone will turn off. It will turn back on and you will need to set it up once more. So let's just wait. And here it is. Just tap the arrow and set up your phone again and you'll be able to restore your data after backup. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.